Hi, it's Marta and Andrew here with another edition of the Your Chosen Home Report for the month of March in the Halton region.
Now, before we get into speaking on what happened in March, we just want to touch briefly on what everyone's been hearing about in the news and in the papers about the massive price decrease that happened year over year with between 20 and 40% in some areas. Now, the main reason for this is because of months of inventory.
So here's an example. For instance, last year in March, townhomes saw 0.4 months of inventory. That's 2 weeks of inventory. If we look at this year, we're looking at 1.6 months of inventory. That's 4 times the amount of homes available to buyers.
Now, another example, for instance, would be detached homes. And last year, there was 0.7 months of inventory of detached homes. Now, if you look at this year in March, we're up to 3.1 months of inventory. That is a huge difference in the supply of detached homes. And that is where you're seeing the huge difference in prices. That's what dictates those prices, the supply and demand. So now we'll get into what happened in March. And what happened in March? Well, detached homes actually saw a decrease in home prices, $32,000 decrease, bringing the average price to $1,063,000.
On the other hand, semi saw a slight increase of $5,500 from the previous month. That's just under 1%, leaving us at $686,000 as the average price, and the months of inventory is 1.8.
Now, as far as condo apartments are concerned, we have 2 months of inventory for condo apartments, and there was no price increase or decrease in that market. In fact, the average price stayed the same at $465,000.
Now moving on to townhomes, we saw an increase again to $7,100 from the previous month. That's just over 1%, leaving us at $696,000 as your average price. And again, the average, the months of inventory we're looking at is 1.6.
Now, if you guys have any questions about this video, or maybe you want to know what's happening in your market, just give us a shout anytime. We'd be happy to help.
See you next month.
Take care.